Hello, my name is Alyssa Pajoli, and I am here to give Ivy Leads a raving review. I am a connection, leadership, and life coach and have been in the industry for 5 years now. Was originally in corporate fitness and have transitioned out. And one of the things I really struggled with was to create the flowing funnel of actual calls being booked on my calendar and then executing the sales call. And the thing I love about Ivy Leads is they really allow you to help not only tailor who you are and what you're about, but they give you the tools, the strategy, and the process on how to make intentional conversations to prospect accordingly to have those successful calls. I spend a lot of time in the corporate world on LinkedIn, and I have had numerous shout outs for my messaging from other sales reps and compliments on my branding and how professional my funnels look and how easy it is from marketing professionals. So when it comes to you feeling stuck, you not feeling like you have the strategy down for the follow-ups, being able to find prospects, knowing how to formulate and successfully execute a sales call, I strongly suggest you hop on board, because not only do we have one individual call for sales, tech, tactics, and support, but the community is simply amazing. It is infectious and you will not regret it. So go ahead, come and join us, create your badass CRM, and I look forward to supporting you on your journey while and when you join the community.